I think it's time to start this bad boy up. What's up, y'all? We got Tristan and his C5 here doing some long tube headers today, man. X-pipe. Got the speed engineering set up. And yeah, we're just gonna knock this out, make this thing sound decent, because, you know, it's nice and stock, but how's it look? This is sick.
Right.
It's not like sitting on your skirts, and is it on your side?
I can't really tell. Looking on, I can see across the little side. It looks fine.
Oh yeah, man. Got the exhaust out. Piece of cake.
Try to get it out. Smack
Oh man, hit it with your purse. Yeah, there's a... There we go. We're in. See how easy that is?
Yeah. This one just touches on the top. What the fuck?
On the top?
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh shit, man, we got the new headers in. They both went in from the bottom, right? They were both the bottoms?
Yeah, both going to the bottom.
Yeah, both going from the bottom, super easy. Pop the starter wires off, that's about it. Got it mopped up for now. Just loose in there. Next, you actually got to cut the stock H pipe pretty much right here where the H is, and this will actually bolt up to the rear and connect to the X pipe. So that's what we're about to do. I don't know why that caught me off guard.
Right?
Yeah, it's like kicking rocks up at me from inside the exhaust.
Inside the exhaust. Pieces of cat.
Unless that's the fucking blade breaking.
It's the blade breaking. Yeah. You need a thinner wheel.
Fuck. I only got one blade, I think. Oh, you do have one. You fucker. That's what I was asking about.
Oh, my bad.
Oh wait, yeah, this is the other one. Okay. Yeah, they might leak a little bit, but whatever.
If I have to, I can replace these ones. It's not too
Yeah.
bad.
Where's it? Right here.
You got the bolts for it?
I think thread those in. You want me to try to get them in?
Yeah.
think it's time to start this bad boy up.
Feels like I'm getting into my truck.
Shit, we could have lowered it, but it's fine. Send it, dude. How's the ramp on your side? Good. Good?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
With the unsettled suspension?
Yeah. Still looks like a monster truck.
Yeah, it does.
Well, y'all, that's gonna wrap things up with the C5 header install, Speed Engineering X-Pipe. Yeah, he has Corsa Extreme mufflers. Car sounds great, man. It came out awesome. I'm not gonna lie, sounds really good. Fucking ear-piercing loud. But that's gonna be it for this install, man. Y'all got any questions on the install? Let me know. It's fairly simple though. That's why I kind of just time-lapsed it. But yeah, until next time. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, bro. Woo! You excited for this drive home or what?
Absolutely.
Fuck yeah, bro.